Every day, small frustrations quietly steal your time. Lights that feel outdated, routines that take too many steps, spaces that could work smarter. Today, we are diving into 20 viral Amazon smart home gadgets that turn everyday living into something smoother, cleaner, and more controlled. If you enjoy discovering tools that upgrade your home without changing your life, make sure to subscribe, tap like, and share your thoughts in the comments. All product links are waiting for you in the description. Messy moments feel smaller when your space reacts before you do. In the bathroom, bedroom, or office, this slim smart trash can opens with a quiet wave of your hand, then closes softly to keep everything sealed and fresh. It uses a fast motion sensor, resists splashes, and fits neatly into tight corners without stealing visual space. Daily cleanup feels cleaner, calmer, and more intentional. A subtle upgrade that changes how your home behaves, priced at $29.97. Long evenings in bed feel different when your body is fully supported. This oversized reading pillow wraps around your back, arms, and neck, creating a stable and cozy place to read, watch, or unwind. The adjustable neck cushion relieves tension, while the firm shredded foam keeps your posture comfortable for hours. Built-in arms support your elbows, and a side pocket keeps essentials within reach. It turns your bed into a personal comfort zone, finished as a premium home upgrade for $49.89. The mood of a room can change everything you feel inside it. With a simple command or a tap on your phone, these smart light bulbs shift your space into calm, focus, or energy within seconds. Colors flow smoothly across the room, scenes adapt to your routine, and music turns into moving light that reacts in real time. Mornings feel softer, nights feel warmer, and everyday moments gain intention without touching a switch. You start shaping how each room responds to you, not the other way around. A subtle way to make your home feel alive, all wrapped into a 4-pack that feels surprisingly premium at $36.99. Falling asleep, training, or resetting your mind feels easier when nothing presses into your ears. This soft Bluetooth headband blends ultra-thin speakers into breathable fabric, so sound stays close while your head stays free. It delivers clear, balanced audio for workouts, late nights, travel, or quiet meditation, without wires or bulky earbuds. The stretch fit manages sweat, stays gentle on skin, and remains comfortable even when you turn or rest on your side. One quick charge supports long sessions and calm nights without interruption. Calls stay clear, focus stays intact, and comfort becomes part of your routine instead of something you adjust. It moves with you, disappears when you need rest, and supports moments that usually feel interrupted. A small upgrade that quietly improves everyday moments, offered as an easy comfort win for $19.99. Waking up to wrinkled sheets quietly ruins the feeling of a clean bed. These adjustable mattress fasteners secure each corner firmly, keeping your sheets smooth, tight, and perfectly aligned through every movement of the night. The triangle design adds extra stability, gripping from multiple angles so nothing shifts when you turn, stretch, or sit up. Wide elastic bands maintain consistent tension night after night, while reinforced metal clips hold strong without damaging fabric. Installation takes only minutes, yet the result feels deliberate and polished. Your bed looks hotel-ready, your space feels calmer, and daily routines start without fixing corners or pulling fabric back into place. The room feels more ordered, sleep feels less interrupted, and even small details begin to work in your favor. A quiet upgrade that delivers long-term comfort and visual balance for $9.39. Those quiet minutes spent searching for keys or a wallet add more stress than they should. This wireless key finder brings instant relief with a simple press of a button. Attach the small tags to everyday essentials, then listen as a loud beep and flashing light guide you straight to what was lost, even through walls or cushions. No phone, no setup, just clear feedback when you need it most. The long range gives confidence across rooms, while the easy remote feels intuitive for anyone in the house. It turns frustration into control and saves time you never plan to lose. A practical upgrade with everyday impact, all for $14.99. Small gaps at the head of your bed cause more annoyance than you expect. Pillows slip, phones disappear, and comfort never feels complete. This bed wedge pillow closes that space cleanly, creating a smooth transition between mattress and headboard that stays stable through the night. The dense foam holds its shape, supports your pillows, and adds gentle head and neck support without stacking extra cushions. Its angled design works quietly in the background, keeping everything aligned and visually tidy. Built-in side pockets keep your phone, glasses, or remote within reach, so bedtime feels organized instead of cluttered. The removable cover stays fresh with easy washing, making the whole setup feel intentional and well-kept. It turns an overlooked detail into daily comfort and order, all wrapped into a simple upgrade that feels thoughtful at $22.99. Some messes feel impossible until heat does the work for you. This pressurized handheld steam cleaner releases powerful bursts of high-temperature steam that lift grease, grime, and build up the moment they are touched. Kitchen surfaces regain their shine, grout lines look renewed, and furniture feels refreshed using only water. The compact design stays light in your hand, while multiple attachments adapt to floors, tiles, fabric, car interiors, and tight corners without switching tools. Steam reaches deep, then disappears cleanly, leaving no residue behind. Built-in safety features keep cleaning calm around kids and pets, and the generous tank lets you move room to room without constant refills. It turns deep cleaning into a controlled, satisfying routine that feels efficient instead of exhausting. A practical home upgrade that delivers serious results for $29.99. Clean floors no longer need your attention to stay perfect. This robot vacuum and mop combo moves through your home with precision, learning each room and cleaning with purpose. Powerful suction lifts dust, crumbs, and pet hair deep out of carpets, while the mop refreshes hard floors in the same pass. Once finished, it returns to its station, empties itself, and recharges quietly in the background. You choose schedules, zones, and preferences, and the system adapts to every space, even in low light. The long runtime covers the entire home without rushing, and smart navigation avoids obstacles smoothly so routines stay uninterrupted. The result is a home that feels consistently maintained, calm, and ready at any moment, freeing your attention for what actually matters. A serious lifestyle upgrade that gives time back and restores peace of mind for $259.99. Heavy yard work feels different when the weight no longer fights back. This 8-in-1 garden cart uses smart balance to make large loads feel surprisingly light as you move soil, tools, or equipment with steady control. The dual-wheel design keeps everything stable while lifting, rolling, and steering without strain. Tasks that once needed extra help become smooth, solo wins, turning effort into confidence with every trip. It adapts to multiple roles around your home, saving space and replacing several tools at once. A serious outdoor upgrade that changes how work feels, priced at $221.52. Falling asleep feels different when your space sounds calm instead of chaotic. This white noise sound machine surrounds the room with soothing tones that gently mask distractions and help your mind slow down. From soft fan sounds to ocean waves, quiet melodies, or nature ambience, each option feels smooth and continuous, never abrupt. Warm night lights add a sense of comfort without overpowering the room, making evenings feel safer and more relaxed. Volume adjusts with precision, timers shut everything off naturally, and memory recalls your favorite setup night after night. Compact enough for travel yet powerful enough for daily use. It turns bedtime into a consistent ritual instead of a struggle. A small comfort upgrade that quietly supports deeper rest for $18.99. Clean floors feel better when the process stays simple and controlled. This spin mop system lets you wring moisture without touching dirty water, keeping splashes contained and your hands clean. The microfiber head glides smoothly, lifting dust, grime, and pet hair using only water, so surfaces look refreshed without harsh smells. Its triangular design reaches corners, baseboards, and tight spaces under furniture with steady precision, while the adjustable handle keeps posture comfortable through the entire room. After cleaning, the mop head goes straight to the wash and returns ready for weeks of use. The routine feels lighter, faster, and more intentional, leaving floors streak-free and the space calm, balanced, and visually cared for. It creates a sense of control during cleaning and satisfaction once everything is finished. A practical home essential that delivers dependable results for $37.20. Wrinkles have a way of showing up right when time is tight. This handheld clothes steamer heats fast and releases powerful steam that smooths fabric in seconds, restoring a clean, polished look without setting up an ironing board. The larger water tank handles several garments in one session, while the leak-free design works confidently at any angle. Its compact body fits easily in a suitcase or drawer, making it just as useful at home as on the road. One button keeps the experience simple, the grip feels natural, and results appear almost instantly. It turns last-minute fixes into calm routines and keeps outfits looking intentional wherever you are. A smart daily tool that feels surprisingly capable for $36.98. Carrying groceries, gear, or supplies stops feeling heavy when the load rolls smoothly behind you. This foldable utility wagon opens in seconds and handles daily hauling with steady balance and confidence. Strong construction supports large loads without flexing, while all-terrain wheels glide easily across sidewalks, grass, or sand. The adjustable handle keeps control comfortable, and the lightweight frame folds down small enough to store without effort. Durable fabric resists spills and weather, then removes easily when cleaning is needed. Shopping trips feel lighter, outdoor plans feel simpler, and moving multiple items becomes one calm motion instead of several tiring trips. A practical upgrade that delivers real convenience for $35.99. Heat becomes distracting the moment it follows you everywhere. This portable neck fan rests naturally around your neck, sending a steady flow of cool air across your face and skin while keeping your hands free. The ergonomic design feels balanced and light, reducing pressure even during long hours outdoors, travel days, or busy routines. Multiple airflow outlets surround you with cooling comfort, and 5 speed levels let you fine-tune the breeze depending on your environment. The quiet performance keeps focus intact, whether you are walking, working, or relaxing. A powerful battery supports extended use through the day, and charging stays simple and flexible. With its bladeless build, comfort feels safe and uninterrupted. It blends into daily life, offering relief that feels personal rather than bulky. A wearable upgrade that brings calm to warm moments, available for $31.44. Opening your fridge should feel fresh, not questionable. This compact deodorizer works quietly inside, breaking down odors at their source instead of covering them up. There is nothing to charge, replace, or maintain, yet it keeps performing year after year without losing effectiveness. The stainless steel body feels clean and durable, while the porous design allows air to circulate and refresh small spaces naturally. It fits easily in a refrigerator, drawer, gym bag, or car, staying out of the way while doing its job. The result is a calmer, cleaner environment that simply stays pleasant over time. A smart, everyday solution that feels thoughtful and lasting for $10.98. Long hours sitting quietly take a toll on your body, even when you try to ignore it. This orthopedic seat cushion and lumbar support set reshapes how your chair feels, creating balanced support that reduces pressure where discomfort usually builds. The memory foam adapts to your body over time, helping posture feel more natural whether you are working, driving, or traveling. The seat stays firmly in place, while the lumbar pillow supports your lower back and encourages a healthier sitting position throughout the day. Breathable covers keep everything fresh and easy to maintain, so comfort stays consistent instead of temporary. Over time, sitting feels calmer, movement feels lighter, and focus becomes easier to hold. It transforms ordinary chairs into supportive spaces that work with your body, not against it. A thoughtful, everyday upgrade that brings lasting comfort and control for $32.99. Heavy appliances become frustrating the moment you need to move them. These compact self-adhesive sliders fix that problem instantly, letting mixers, coffee makers, or air fryers glide with a gentle push instead of lifting. Once attached, they protect countertops from scratches and moisture while keeping movement smooth and controlled. Appliances slide back into place when not in use, freeing space and keeping the kitchen visually organized. A small change that makes daily cooking feel lighter and more intentional for $6.99. Pet hair has a way of taking over your home without warning. This reusable roller cleans couches, carpets, bedding, and car seats with a simple back-and-forth motion that traps fur inside as you roll. No sticky sheets, no refills, just quick results that feel satisfying. It works quietly, stores mess inside, and empties in seconds, leaving surfaces clean and comfortable again. A smart, everyday solution that keeps your space looking cared for, priced at $24.99. Movement feels different when your body activates faster. This vibration plate delivers controlled oscillation that engages muscles, balance, and circulation in short sessions at home. Standing, stretching, or training with the included bands creates full body activation without high-impact stress on joints. The platform stays stable and quiet, keeping focus on how your body responds rather than how hard you push. Adjustable speeds let you shift between recovery and toning with ease, making daily wellness feel flexible and achievable. A compact fitness upgrade that supports strength and mobility for $199.99.